Okay, we're going to do writing one-step equations. The good news is, if you're watching this video, you only need to do 5 of these. So, we are going to start with an old one that we looked at a long time ago. What is 20% of 15? But it works the exact same way. I have what, which is my variable. Is still means equal. 20%, you may remember, we don't ever use the percentages in a problem. We always turn them into decimals. Of always means multiply when we're dealing with a number that's less than 1. So we have x equals 0.20 times 15. 4 more than a number is 12. We're back to the ones we've been looking at. 4 plus, there's that than word, so we're going to switch these two. A number equals 12. So n plus 4 equals 12. 1/3 should go in this nice blank space there. But 2 equals, it still means equals, so we have 2 equals 1/3 of, that means we're going to multiply 1/3 times an unknown number, so I have 2 equals 1/3 times an unknown number. The sum we're going to add of a number and 2/5, so we have an unknown number and we have 2/5. X plus 2/5 equals 3/8. For those of you that are wondering, I'm switching the variable up a little bit. It doesn't matter which variable you use. As long as you know it's a variable, it stands for an unknown number. 15 times, oh, that was nice of them. The number, or a number, so I'm going to make this, let's make that a, equals 250. So 15 times a equals 250. 3 is, there's that equal sign, so 3 equals 12 less than, we have a than, subtracting, switching, and we're going to use y this time, so 3 equals y minus 12, because we switched because of the word than. Alright, this one's kind of a gimme. 8 candy bars divided evenly between 8 people. 8 divided by 8 equals an unknown number, but I bet you can guess the unknown number. The difference of a number, difference tells us we're going to subtract, so a number, use x and 15. The difference of x and 15 equals 27. Yeah. I hope you're starting to get this. Let me know sometime this week if you're still struggling with any of these. Have a great weekend.